Hello, this is day 28. Oh, wait. This is day 28, so this is a big day, so it's its own video. Hello, you beautiful people out there. My name is Majestic Muffin, and welcome back to Special Effects Saturday. And this is day 28, one of the big special effects looks. And I have these horns, right? These little devil horns that I got from Spirit Halloween, where I bought Alistair's coat. And I wanted to use them for a look. I have no idea how to use them. You know? Oh, I'm not even in the fucking mirror. They're pretty big. It has these like little things on here. I don't know if I take those off or not. And it's like glue underneath. But we're about to find out. Don't think I was supposed to take that off. Nope, okay, that's fine. So I will use liquid latex to adhere those, and I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, while that is drying, because I'm trying to make it look like it's coming out of my head, so I'll add like some deeper reds and dark fun stuff there. I'm making myself into a red little demon, you know, the use. Using this beautiful giant Graftobian paint thing. It's my girlfriend's. They are water activated paints. We'll be using this red, which is crimson red. I'm very excited. I'm very scared to paint my entire face red. I'm hoping to use these. If they fuck up too much, I won't, you know. But I can't put them in until my entire, like, everything is done. Or else I won't be able to do my makeup. I won't be able to see to do it. So, yeah. I guess I'll get started. I'm not gonna do my ears or anything. I'm just gonna like have my hair down because I'm cheating slightly. Also, just realized, how am I supposed to put on my shirt? Because these horns. I might need help with that part. Oh, no, I should prime my face first. Oh my god, this is so scary. First base done. I feel red. Oh, I forgot it was red. Oh my goodness. Okay. Looking red. Contour. Hey, sorry. That's really what it's all about. Although, let's face it, most buildings have kind of looking like shit, but I think I can save it with I think I'm done. It is not the best I've ever done ever, but I'm not a huge like beauty makeup person when it comes to like contouring and stuff like that. So if you guys have any tips, let me know. That's why I'm doing this practicing stuff. And you're sideways. So now all I need to do is put my contacts and add the blood and stuff. So I'm not gonna add the blood and stuff until I put on my shirt and get everything set. So yeah, let me know how you like it. And of course, let me know what I could have done to improve. So. And I'll probably, well, I don't know if I'll record it. I'm just gonna put coagulated gel all around this. And make it all bloody and shit. And that's it. Nothing crazy.